Who got the power?
Welcome to the 15th tutorial on Theme D. We will be looking at public opinion, how public opinion is formed, and pressure and campaign groups. Public opinion is the views of the population. It can give the government messages about people's views on current issues, which can affect how laws are changed. Governments want to re-elected, so generally take public opinion into account when making decisions. Opinion polls are paid for to find out what people think. They may be organized by people who want their views heard. They want to provide hard evidence of people's views to help to persuade the government to listen. Newspapers often run opinion polls to find out which political party has the most public support. The public comes under pressure from lots of different organizations who want to influence how they think. Political parties, using social media, tries to persuade us that it's doing the best for us because it wants us to vote for them in the next election. Pressure and campaign groups have good access to the media. Some employ PR companies to help them inform people about the things they want to change, for example Amnesty International or Greenpeace. Individuals sometimes take up an issue, particularly when a member of their family or a friend has to face a challenge. They will often start with the local media, like local papers or radio stations. In the exam, you might be asked to explain what public opinion is, what the main influences on public opinion are, or why the government wants to persuade people that its policies are working.